Today, I will show you a tutorial on removing the blower wheel from a Gree wall-mounted AC. Watching this video can save you hundreds of dollars. The owner explained that the AC was cleaned just last month, but in less than a month, it started blowing out a sour smell again. Friends with good hands-on skills can follow along with this video. The video is long and the process is very detailed, so save it to watch slowly later. After we finish testing the unit, turn off the power and unplug it. The first step is to open the front cover, remove the two mesh filters, and then remove the upper and lower swing louvers from the air outlet. Before removing the panel, take off the display module first. There are clips on the left and right ends of the front cover. Push them from both sides to remove it. Next is removing the main casing. There are 6 screws in total on the casing surface, and one is very hidden, located under the air outlet. After removing the screws, put your hands on top, hold the main frame, and pull upwards. Look, there are several clips on top. Just pull gently upwards. Once the clips are released, the entire main casing comes off very easily. Now prepare to remove the air guide pieces on the left and right of the air outlet. These air guide pieces can be taken off easily with a screwdriver. For standard casing removal and AC cleaning, stopping here is enough. Next are the steps to remove the blower wheel. Look here, here's a detail. Remove this grounding wire and this pipe temperature sensor wire. Follow the camera and look over here. First, remove the screw on the right side power box cover. This AC model has only one screw holding the power box cover. After taking it off, set it to the side. Then, remove the 2 screws on the left side. Inside, there are 3 screws on the motor protection cover. Remove all of them. After removing all the screws, lift the evaporator up so we can remove the motor protection cover. For this model, you must remove the motor protection cover. Only after removing it can you loosen the screw holding the blower wheel. To loosen the screw, just turn it a few times. After loosening the screw, use a screwdriver on the left side to pry up the blower wheel bearing sleeve. Now we can pull out the blower wheel very easily. Let's get a close-up shot here for everyone to see. Look at what it looks like inside the drain tray and inside the AC. It's full of mold spots. Many people have never seen this. You could say there is a dirty water ditch inside. In installing many ACs, they were not tilted 4 to 5 degrees towards the drain hole, so the dirty water is very hard to drain out. Next is cleaning the AC and these components. For cleaning ACs, I always use this foam cleaner. Its stain removal performance is very good, and it can also remove bad odors. Spray the foam cleaner on the components as well. Wait quietly for 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse directly with a high-temperature steam cleaner. Removing the blower wheel is a big work. For many colleagues and peers, it is not necessary to remove it. This still depends on the customer, especially for those units with bad odors. Removing it allows for a more thorough wash. Today's video ends here. If you have different views or think how much is appropriate to charge for cleaning an AC like this, feel free to discuss together in the comments section. Thank you all for your likes and support.